Let's make some shrimp po' boys. What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy Gabe, and we're making kind of authentic New Orleans style po' boys, shrimp. Even though I know it's clams, but we're doing shrimp because I like shrimp. Okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to start with my shrimp. Now, I don't have buttermilk, so I'm just going to do some regular milk and then a couple dashes of lemon juice. And then to this, I'm going to add some hot sauce, maybe a dash of cayenne, and a little bit of pepper. All right, so I went ahead and got all my buttermilk shrimp put together. So it's just pepper, hot sauce, regular milk, and lemon juice because I don't have buttermilk. But if you have buttermilk, you don't need the lemon juice or the milk. So I have that sitting, and we're gonna let that sit for about a half an hour to an hour, just until I can get my sauce and stuff ready to go. And then we'll be able to fry some shrimp. So now we're gonna make the remoulade sauce. And all it is a little bit of mayo. I couldn't find Creole mustard, so instead we're gonna use some whole grain mustard and some horseradish. And then I got some capers, some garlic, and we're gonna add just a little bit of chili powder. Okay, now it's time to fry our shrimp. And I want it just enough and give it like, I don't know, inch or two, just to keep it covered, or keep the shrimp covered. Okay, and then I need this to get to 350. Now I cheated a little bit. I got some pre-done New Orleans style seafood fry breading mix. And I got some glovies on. So our oil is just about done. I got my breading right here. Then I got my shrimp right here, which I actually put back in the fridge. All right, so my oil is at 350. Let's fry some shrimp. Now these should only take a couple of minutes, probably 3 or 4 minutes, because, you know, it's whole shrimp and it's not frozen. And you don't want to overcrowd the pan because then it takes a really long time to fry and it really lowers the temperature of your fryer. All right, so we got our shrimp. Let's go ahead, throw them on a paper towel lined plate, and then immediately sprinkle some salt on top of them while they're still hot. All right, so I got my shrimps done, my sauce is done. I got some French bread loaves, some shredded lettuce, some Roma tomatoes that I'm gonna slice, and salt and pepper, which is the only way I eat tomatoes. And then I got some pickles to add on to it. So let's construct a sandwich. There you go, po' boy. Give it a shot and try it out. I love me a good po' boy. That's so good. The shrimp's so good. It's not a real experience if you don't have it all over your face. I'd almost consider it like a religious experience. So, all right guys, there you have it. New Orleans style shrimp po' boy. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends and family, hit that notification button next to it. Comment down below, tell me what I need to do next and how I did. And on that note, peace out, guys.